Today we've got a lineup of the coolest gadgets that will make you smile, designed to bring joy and convenience into your life. There's nothing more that you want than to become the biggest rock star of your generation. So, you grab your guitar and begin strumming the strings, but then the pitch is way off. No way you're gonna perform like this. Blame it on the weather and the temp, but all is not lost. There's the Rode 3 Smart Automatic Guitar Tuner that can analyze the pitch and get your string into the perfect tune. Just simply place it on the peg, pluck the string, and watch it. Do the rest. So you're a legitimate foodie and you can't completely enjoy the food without your favorite spices. And as much as possible, you'll want to grind them to your preferred granular sizes to get the desired effect. Thankfully, in this day and age, you no longer have to use a mortar and pestle because the electric salt and pepper grinder will do the job for you. This device can grind spices in 5-grain sizes, from fine powder to coarser grain, and the good news is that it's suitable for other types of spices too. Now, you get to live in a fabulous high-rise condo and you absolutely love everything about it, except your dirty windows. We can't blame you for dreading that part of your cleaning routine, but with the Chovery window cleaning robot, cleaning windows will never be the same. This gadget is suitable for glass with a thickness above 3 mm and size above 45 by 45 centimeters. And its AI technology version 2.0 can calculate the route and clean 1 square meter in 4 minutes. Plus, it comes with 4 meters of high-strength lanyards, an anti-falling control algorithm, and automatic window edge detection. What's the best way to impress your date? You can be everything that your partner wants, or you can be that someone who can do everything under the sun. And the only way to do that is to get yourself a Night Eyes KMTRT 11 R3 doohickey key. It's a full-service ratchet for tightening and loosening screws that comes with 2 flat head bits and 2 Phillips bits. On top of that, this doohickey key includes a bottle opener, wrenches, a pry tool, a scoring point, and standard and metric rulers. And with so many things that you can do, don't be surprised if your date asks to see you again. If you happen to be a neat freak and seeing a speck of dust makes you go crazy, you probably would grab a vacuum and suck it right away. But you can't bring your bulky vacuum cleaner everywhere, and that's why this Fuzi H8 Apex cordless vacuum cleaner is the best solution to your OCD. This handheld vacuum is not only lightweight at 540 grams, but it also has a powerful M1 brushless motor that can suck up even the tiniest dust and fluff. And best of all, it has a stainless steel filter and HEPA filter, both washable and reusable, and can filter out 99.95% of particles. So you got that groove, and you like to bring your songs everywhere because this is how you share your happiness with everyone. That's why the MuzyShell Bluetooth speaker is the perfect companion for you. It's got RGB LED lights to brighten up the mood, and a CyberShell's body made of a zinc alloy metal that gives off a futuristic feel. And of course, you're gonna fall head over heels with the sound because of the 3 audio modes that create different playback sound effects and the 3-band balanced vocal effect that gives off harmonic treble and amplified basses. What's a black box made of 8 cubes and has 24 OLED screens where you can play up to 40 games? Sounds impossible, but it's actually the first gaming console that lets you play video games on a 3D surface, on all 24 screens simultaneously at that. Get ready to be amazed by the Rubiks Cube lookalike WoW Cube system, where you can play games with more tactile and more physical controls, like twisting the halves of the cube or even shaking it. This makes the games not only more interesting but also so immersive that you wouldn't want to put them down. So, you're outdoors doing live streaming, but you don't want an extra device with you, or you simply find it awkward to speak into a microphone while in the thick of the action. Now, with the Hollyland Lark M1 Lapel microphone, you can do away with the hassle and focus on your live streaming. It features a cutting-edge DSP chip, which provides environmental noise cancellation to make your voice sound crystal clear. And because the lapel is meant to be clipped on your apparel, it only weighs 11.8 grams, which is lighter than 3 pieces of A4. It's so weightless that it will surely make you forget you're wearing a device. Your peace of mind is way up there on your priority list. That's why you want home security cameras installed outside your homes. But you're not just going to pick any random camera, you're going to want this Ring Floodlight Cam Plus that's a 1080p HD security camera with motion-activated LED floodlights, 105 decibels security siren, two-way talk, and customizable motion zones. And unlike what you mostly see with old model cameras, this one's got a live view with color night vision. So now you won't have to figure out what those blurry black and white images are. There's always going to be something you need to record, especially when you're in a meeting, lecture, interview, or simply just want to keep track of your thoughts. Now, you might say you can do this with your smartphone, but the Film and Digital Voice Recorder is equipped with a powerful DSP noise reduction chip that reduces ambient noise and record and play high-quality audio clearly. It also has a voice-activated recording function that automatically records when the surrounding sound reaches a certain decibel and stops recording when there's no sound. And these are the things that your smartphone cannot do. Now, for someone who loves the sun and the adrenaline rush that an action-filled day brings, you make sure that everything you use can withstand the demands of your active lifestyle. And that's why these Jabra Elite 7 active wireless sports earbuds fit perfectly into your daily routine. These earbuds are designed to stay in place no matter how hard you work out, thanks to the Shake Grip technology. And whether you're in the waters or on the road running, these IP57 rated waterproof and sweatproof earbuds will surely make your day. Locking and unlocking the door is so much hassle, especially when your hands are full, or you're in a hurry, or you're just too tired to do anything. But with Bosma, Aegis Smart Door Lock, you can now rest easy because it automatically unlocks your door as you approach your home and automatically locks your door when the door closes behind you. Aegis Auto Unlock is compatible with your Android and iPhones using the Wi-Fi Smart Lock technology, and you can even add voice control using an Alexa device. And if you love spending time in the kitchen cooking and experimenting with dishes, you surely have a collection of different knives for cutting meat, dicing vegetables, slicing bread, or chopping nuts. But good times don't last forever, and neither does the sharpness of these knives. So, it's time to get yourself an Hollyland rolling knife sharpener that has an industrial diamond disc to remove the first layer of the knife edge and a ceramic disc for polishing. What's a camping party without music, barbecue, and booze? But one of the difficult things you have to deal with is how to keep your drinks cold for days, or keep the ice from melting under the scorching sun. Thankfully, you're able to get an East Oak hard cooler that has a 3-inch insulated wall made with commercial-grade polyurethane that can keep your drinks cold for days. And the amazing thing is that it's built with a diversion groove to slow down ice melting. Let us know in the comments section which gadgets you think are the most coolest. Feel free to share your thoughts, and if you enjoyed today's video, like and subscribe to help us keep the lights on. See you in the next update.